changing levels. I have just drawn here is a 4-bedroom room that we're going to turn into just a simple house. If we look at it in a 3D view, you can see it just has 4 walls, no ceiling, no roof right now. What I want to show you guys how to do is to adjust the height of it. It's really important when we draw walls that they're connected. So my base constraint is going to be my first floor. My top constraint is going to be my second floor. Then I'm going to come to my east elevation. It doesn't matter which one you look at. And we see lots of different levels. So right now my walls are constrained to my first floor level and my second floor level. So if I move my second floor up, the walls go with them. If I move the second floor down, the walls go with them. What I'm looking to do is to have my first floor be 9 feet tall. It's 9 feet tall because we have 8-foot tall walls, and then above that is going to be the floor beams for the next floor. So we actually draw 9-foot tall walls, but only 8 feet are visible. So to change this, I can just click here, hit 9 feet, and it's going to go up to second floor. Now, if I don't want to have a roof, I don't need to have a roof. I can either erase this completely by clicking on it, hitting delete. It will tell me that all that stuff will be deleted, and I can hit OK. Or instead of deleting it, I can rename it. If I wanted to rename it something different, if I wanted to have a third floor in my house, I could rename it third floor. And then it would rename it in all of the other views. To add a floor, so let's say I accidentally erased this and I wanted to add another one. To add a level, I can click on it. I want to right click on a line and hit create similar. Once I create similar, then I'll left click, regular click, drag, and I'll click again to place it. And we'll see that it's called level 8. I don't really want it to be called level 8, so I'll come over here and click on it and we'll call this roof because I just erased the roof. If I can get the box. Yes, I'll rename corresponding views, and I want my roof to be 9 feet above. So 9 plus 9 is 18, and that is how I set this. And that's why it's so important to have our walls connected to one level to the next level and not unconnected at 8 feet tall, because now I can move them wherever I want. Now I could also take this foundation, if I wanted to make a basement, I'd make it 9 feet below. So I just punch in -9. Once I select it, -9, and I can rename it basement. It's telling me that that name's already being used. There must be levels somewhere else that I'd have to erase if I want to use the word basement. So I can leave it called foundation and just draw foundation walls in there now.